Of this airplane, including the location and operation of the exit and flotational articles, should be stowed either overhead or underneath the seat in front of you. welcome to our nation's capital with an early arrival time of 7:27. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Keep the aisle completely clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check the seat back pocket in front of you for personal items like tablets. When you open the overhead compartments, be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now make use of your cell phone. Passengers making connections here out of DC, check the television monitors inside the terminal for updated flight and gate information. We are scheduled to arrive at the B as in Bravo terminal, gate 29. C is in Charlie terminal. If you choose not to use the shuttle bus, you will have to exit security and re-enter on the other side. Again, we are scheduled to arrive at gate 29. Anyone needing wheelchair assistance, please remain seated. Once the wheelchairs come down the jet bridge, we will assist you. On behalf of the captain and this entire flight crew, it's been our pleasure serving you. We realize you have a choice in your travel. Thank you for choosing American Airlines. Have a great weekend. Attendants verified this on door. Stand by phone call. Bye, thank you.